Welcome to the last episode this series on how to become a successful YouTuber. We will not waste time and start directly from where we left in episode 3.
Where do you find these editors? Lots of places specific. YouTube job boards, Upwork, Fiverr, people per hour was mentioned as a decent starting point for beginners. Looking for talent, right? Okay, videos finally edited. Now, de-uploading, optimizing for discovery, just hitting upload isn't enough. Is it definitely not the description box, for instance, often totally underutilized? But it's crucial for the algorithm, hugely aim for a good length. Maybe 1,000 characters minimum packed with relevant keywords about your video's topic. It's not just SEO. It helps you to deeply understand the nuance of your content and match it better. Think of it as giving the algorithm vital context. What else goes in the description? Strategic linking link to related playlists on your channel, other relevant videos.
You've made maybe useful external resources. Keep viewers clicking within your content world. It encourages binge watching and signals value to YouTube and hashtags. That's still relevant. Yeah, use a few relevant ones. Don't go crazy, but a few targeted hashtags help further categorize your video. They're another signal for the algorithm and can help people find your stuff if they follow those tags.
Okay, makes sense. Yeah. Now let's really get into Module 5, YouTube. SEO and algorithm deep dive. We've touched on it, but let's look at the actual key metrics for success. The numbers YouTube shows you, right? The data that tells you what's actually happening. First up, impressions. What's that exactly? It's simply how many times your video's thumbnail and title were shown to someone on YouTube in search on the homepage, in suggested videos, even shares elsewhere. It's your potential visibility. Okay, then the big one, click-through rate or CTR. Yep, the percentage of those impressions that actually got clicked leading to a view if your impressions are high, but your CTR is low. That's a massive red flag, meaning your thumbnail or your title isn't working. It's not compelling enough to make people stop scrolling and click. Your shop window isn't drawing people in. Got it? Next metric. Average view duration or AVD, how long? On average, people actually watch your video once they click. This is a huge indicator of engagement quality.
So low AVD means low AVD signals problems. Maybe your hook wasn't strong enough, people clicked away early, or the content itself wasn't delivering, the pacing was off. People are dropping off quickly, which tells YouTube, viewers aren't finding this valuable. Okay, and finally, RPM revenue per mil, meaning 1,000 in Latin. So it's your estimated revenue per 1,000 monetized views on your videos. It reflects how effectively your views are actually earning money, which can vary a lot by niche and audience, right? So you've got all this data impressions, CTR, AVD, RPM. How do you actually use it? Utilizing analytics for smart growth. YouTube Studio is your best friend here. It's your data dashboard. It gives you incredibly detailed analytics for long videos, for shorts views, watch time, subscriber, gains. Even how many people swipe away from a short. It's pure, unbiased feedback directly from your audience and the platform, and it's actionable feedback. Totally. If your CTR is low, you know exactly what to work on. Redesign your thumbnails, rewrite your titles, make them more intriguing, clearer. If your AVD is low, reevaluate. Your script, is the hub strong enough? Is the pacing, right? Are you delivering value throughout the data points directly to the problem area? So you can iterate and improve strategically, not just guess. Brilliant.
Okay, moving into publishing strategy and consistency, the lifeline of your channel. This feels fundamental. It really is. This is often where channels succeed or fail, almost regardless of content quality sometimes. And the biggest killer, the inconsistency trap. Inconsistency, just not uploading enough. Not necessarily enough, but not regularly. It's the #1 reason channels fail or die, according to many sources. What happens is, a creator gets discouraged. Their first few videos don't pop, so they abandon that channel. Start a new one and just repeat the same mistakes. They break that consistency, and the algorithm never really learns what their channel's about or who to show it to. It's a super common, really detrimental cycle.
So consistency isn't about frequency, but regularity. Exactly. If you decide you can realistically only upload once a month, then fine, but you must upload once every single month without fail. If you commit to twice a week, stick to it. Any deviation from your chosen schedule is seen as inconsistency by YouTube. The algorithm rewards predictability and reliability. It wants to know it can count on you.
Okay, what about old videos that maybe didn't do well or stuff? You're not proud of any more. Strategic content management. Delete them. General advice is, don't delete, set them to private instead. Why private? It keeps any watch time or SEO juice. They might have accumulated, but hides them from the public if you plan to make better content on a similar topic later. Definitely keep using the same channel. Build on what you have, but if you're making a massive shift, totally new content type then. Yeah, back to what we said earlier. Consider starting a new channel if you go from gaming to, I don't know, gardening, a fresh start. Gives you better reach for that new content as the algorithm isn't confused and your new audience knows exactly what they're getting, right? Now, what about those massive channels? You know, the ones that upload like twice a year and still get millions of views. The big creator anomaly, yeah, that's the exception. That proves the rule channels like BB Keyvines or Around to Hell. They can do that because they have already built a massive, incredibly loyal audience over years. Their brand is established, that connection is deep, so not applicable to us mere mortals starting out. Definitely not for new and growing creators. Consistent, regular uploads are non-negotiable. You haven't earned that level of audience loyalty or algorithmic trust yet.
You haven't earned that level of audience loyalty or algorithmic trust yet. And that's exactly why this consistent effort, even in the early quiet phases, matters so much. Every upload, whether it gets 20 views or 2,000, is data. It's a learning opportunity both for you and for the algorithm. It's a signal that says, I'm here, I'm serious about this.
Now let's zoom out a bit. If you've made it this far into the podcast, you already know becoming a successful YouTuber isn't some overnight passive miracle. It's a deliberate act, a craft, a blend of creativity, discipline, audience empathy, and yes, a little tech know-how. But here's the good news. You don't need to go viral to win. You don't need millions of subscribers to build a second income. You just need a clear niche, authentic content, consistent effort, and a mindset that's built for the long haul, not the shortcut.
Whether you're in Mumbai or Missouri, Pune or Portland, the game is the same. Create value, keep improving, and show up consistently. The rest follows. So if you're ready to commit, start now. Don't overthink. Don't wait for the perfect gear or the perfect idea. The best YouTubers you follow, they all started exactly where you are now. 0 views, 0 subscribers, 0 certainty, but 100% drive.
That's it for today's episode. If this resonated with you, feel free to subscribe, share it with someone who's thinking about starting their creator journey. And if you've got questions or want us to dive deeper into anything, from monetization to storytelling, drop us a message.
So this is the end of 4 episodes on how to become a successful YouTuber. You may write and comment if you have any queries or need any tips. We will answer them as well.
You've got this. We'll see you in the another educational episode next one. Until then, create bravely and keep showing up. Of course, you may subscribe to this channel for more updates like this, though there is no hurry and you may do it whenever you have time.